Hello everyone, and how are you doing? So this is the right time to treat and repair our skin after exposing to the summer sun. No matter how you cover up, sun must have hit one or two areas on your skin, destroying the layers of your skin. This is when you want to nourish and repair your skin cells so you don't experience aging skin, you don't experience dull skin, hyperpigmentation, blemishes. Like, you need to load up on antioxidants to help you fight the effects of free radical damage, because summer is when everybody is out. You get all the free radicals from pollution, dust, sunlight. As summer is coming to an end, this is when you want to treat your skin. Treat your skin cells, repair them so you don't experience any skin damage leading to skin complications like hyperpigmentation, blemishes, aging skin, because sunlight destroys your skin cells like you will not believe yourself. So this is time to nourish and look beautiful from the inside out. And so without wasting much of your time, I'll take you straight away and show you how to come up with this very powerful antioxidant salad yourself at home to repair your skin from the inside. Not just that, load up your system with nutrients, help boost your metabolism. This is very healthy if you're looking to stay healthy with a beautiful body size. This is very good for fat burning, metabolism boosting, and living nutrients for a healthy life. So without talking too much, let's quickly get into it. Voila! So in order to come up with this recipe, the first ingredient I'll be using will be watermelons. Yes, this helps to load up moisture into your skin, preventing that dry, flaky and aged looking skin. It hydrates your skin cells, leaving them looking so fresh. This helps to repair your skin cells from damaging because it contains a lot of the B vitamins plus a lot of vitamin C, which is a form of antioxidant to fight free radical damage effects on the skin. It has about 37% antioxidant benefits to your skin from vitamin C you get from here. So what you need is just a quarter size of watermelon, slice into some good sizes and set aside. The second ingredient I'll be using will be mangoes. So in these mangoes, I'll get some vitamin C and vitamin E, which are very good at repairing and boosting collagen production for that youthful agelessness to your skin. Plus the vitamin C and E are forms of antioxidant to fight the effect of free radical damage from exposing our skin to the environmental free radicals during this summer, repairing your skin to look so vibrant, fresh and youthful. Plus it tastes so good. If you haven't eaten mangoes ever, you want to try, and trust me, you will love you some mangoes. They are so tasty. They are so nice, like so nourishing, with nutrients you will load up your system with. So you just want to get one mango, peel, slice into some good sizes. That, like, I go for the square shapes for this salad of today, depending on you. The next will be a very powerful source of antioxidants. So these are berries and they are actually organic. I tell you, I buy a lot of organic fruits because I want to prevent loading my system with chemical toxins, you know. So you just try to get fresh, healthy fruits, and I'll be using 6 of these berries. So you can use mixed berries. If you have the different kinds of berries, that is fine. If you don't have the different kinds of berries, you can use just strawberries. So even though I buy organic, I still wash with vinegar and water. Like, berries are one of the richest source of antioxidant to repair your skin from the inside. That is a big secret. Your skin will look so beautiful. So I wash with vinegar and water. So to my fruits, you see, they are really so clean and they look so healthy. I always choose very healthy fruits. So these are my strawberries. I just slice them into some good square shapes just to get everything normal, and trust me, this will load up your system with the antioxidants to fight the effects of free radicals from the inside. Your skin will hardly age so fast having these. Your skin will be so nourished from the inside with the antioxidant fighting the effects of free radical, causing hyperpigmentation, blemishes, premature aging. Like, so if you have the different kinds of berries, you can add. This is optional. If you don't have the other kinds of berries, just one kind of berry is fine. So I have them, but it's just the same, just to make everything just different kinds of flavors and color, you know. Now to my salad dressing, I'll be using these citrus fruits. I'll be using 1 lime, 1 orange, and half a grapefruit. So these are to load up on vitamin C as well from these citrus fruits to help cleansing of the pores, so your skin can be so fresh and rejuvenated. These citrus fruits are very good when it comes to having that freshness to your skin, repairing your skin cells from damaging. Like, this is really, I can't reiterate enough. So what I'll be doing is I get the lime and I kind of get the zest out of the lime. You can replace with lemon, that is just fine too, but I love the smell, the flavor that comes out from lime. So you just get the zest out of the lime, and my lime is organic, so you don't want to put chemicals in you. If you're using regular limes, wash them with baking soda so you take away any wax or chemicals on them. So this is when I'll be squeezing out the juice from my fruits, from half a grapefruit, 1 orange, and 1 lime. So my dressing is kind of citrus, which is very good at repairing your skin. Like, if you notice here, this is kind of a multivitamin, very powerful antioxidant, like put together powerful kind of, salad you want to nourish up. Because trust me, everything comes from food. All the multivitamins we buy from the store are concentrated from fruits. So if you can have them raw, you are having them at the best forms. You are having them at the, like, this is health, like the best thing you want to do to your skin. So after squeezing the juice out, you want to use your sieve too, so you don't get in those particles from citrus fruits. You see what I'm trying to say? Then I add in a tiny little bit of honey just to bring in a little bit of kind of sour sweetness to this. Like, when you add in a little bit of honey, it brings in kind of, from the citrus fruits, that sour sweet. Like, just try it and you fall in love with this recipe. Yeah, it is so nice, so yummy. This is a very good kind of, not just to even just, this is a very good snacking, something. Yeah, you can have it as your entree. Like, you can have it, you like desserts. Like, don't go for, the kind of wrong desserts. Like, this can be your entree, your desserts, your snacks, but while living in nutrients into your system. This is very healthy, I can't reiterate. So look at the yumminess of that juice getting in there. This is so juicy, so nice, so juicy, so yummy. So you want to live healthy, but so, like, it should be fun, living a healthy life, not boring. And trust me, when you start living this way, sicknesses are far off away from you. As I always say, this is being proactive. While you're treating your skin, you are equally living in some nutrients. You are equally nourishing your organs so they can function properly, for you to live that healthy life. And like, this is so, I don't know how to reiterate enough, but we are targeting that skin to be beautiful all the time, and this is the secret in here. So you want to share this video with your family and friends, so we can all take care of our skin and always look beautiful without any skin discoloration, roughness on the skin, hyperpigmentation, and look so youthful. Plus, you want to incorporate water. Make sure you always hydrate enough, because that is a good form of cleansing your pores as well. So you want to make sure to drink enough water your system can accommodate, and trust me, you will always have a beautiful skin, healthy looking skin, and a healthy life, free of sicknesses and diseases. And yeah, so thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.